Hey everyone! In this video, we're looking at the top 5 benchtop planers. Now, there are different types of planers, like handheld models for quick jobs and full-size stationary planers for heavy-duty work. But benchtop planers hit the sweet spot for most people because they're powerful, easy to use, and don't take up much space. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or small business owner, this type gives you solid performance without the bulk or cost of bigger machines. We picked options that suit different needs and budgets so you can find the best fit for your projects. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Jet 13-inch benchtop planer, model JWP13BT. This machine stands out if you're after smooth, quiet, and precise cutting. It features a helical cutter head packed with 26 small, sharp blades arranged in rows, which slice through the wood quietly and smoothly, compared to traditional straight knives. This is a big deal if you work in a home workshop or shared space where noise can be a problem. The heavy cast iron base isn't just about sturdiness. It's precision-engineered to keep your wood perfectly flat while you plane, preventing mistakes that could ruin your project. It has a powerful 2-horsepower motor that easily handles harder woods and wider boards, with a maximum width of 13 inches and thickness up to 6 inches. The folding in-feed and out-feed tables are thoughtful additions that save space when you store. On the downside, it's heavier than many other models, weighing around 75 pounds, so it's not super portable. The price point is on the higher side, but you're paying for quiet, professional-grade performance. So if you want a planer that works smoothly without waking the whole neighborhood and gives you fine, precise control, the Jet 13-inch is an excellent option. At number 4 is the Craftsman CMEW320, a machine that delivers reliable power and straightforward operation at a solid value. With its 15-amp motor, this planer easily cuts through both softwoods like pine and tougher hardwoods, like oak, so it's versatile enough for almost any project. Its 2-knife solid steel cutter head is designed to run smoothly and lasts longer because the knives are double-edged and reversible. This means when one side dulls, you simply flip the blade instead of replacing it right away, saving money over time. Dust can be a real problem in woodworking, but this Craftsman model comes with a vacuum port to connect to your dust collector, keeping your work area cleaner and healthier. At about 61 pounds, it's not the lightest planer out there, but still manageable to move around your shop. If you're a beginner or an intermediate woodworker who wants solid performance without paying for features you won't use, this Craftsman is a dependable, no-nonsense choice. Number 3 on the list is the WEN PL1303, a bestseller that appeals to hobbyists and casual woodworkers looking for a powerful yet simple machine. It features a 15-amp motor that spins the cutter head fast, producing 30,000 cuts per minute. This lets you feed your wood through quickly without sacrificing finish quality. It comes with 3 reversible SK5 steel blades, which are sharp, durable, and easy to flip or replace. You can adjust the cutting depth in small increments up to 1/8 inch per pass, giving you precise control whether you're just shaving a thin layer or removing more material. The WEN is known for being easy to set up and operate, making it perfect for someone who wants a solid, dependable planer without a steep learning curve or complicated features. Its size and power make it ideal for a home workshop, and the price is attractive for anyone who wants good value without cutting corners. At number 2, The Makita 2012 NB brings a different kind of advantage: portability and convenience. If you're a contractor or a hobbyist who works at different job sites or likes to rearrange your workshop often, this planer's compact design and lighter weight make it easy to move around. What really makes the Makita special is its blade system. It uses disposable double-edged blades that you can flip or swap out quickly, no tools required. This means less downtime and more work done, which is huge when you're on a deadline or just don't want to mess with complicated maintenance. The machine is also one of the quietest planers in its class, running at about 83 decibels, so your ears won't get worn out during long sessions. Stability is top-notch thanks to the 4-post design and diagonal cross supports, keeping your wood steady and your cuts clean. Large table extensions offer extra support for bigger boards, making it practical for a range of project sizes. If you want a planer that balances power with portability and user-friendly features, the Makita 2012 NB is a standout. Finally, the #1 spot goes to the DeWalt DW735X, widely regarded as the best benchtop planer for serious woodworkers. Its 15-amp motor runs at 20,000 RPM, which is powerful enough to handle wide boards and thick cuts with ease. What really sets the DeWalt apart is its 2-speed gearbox. You can switch between a faster feed rate when you want to remove a lot of material quickly, or a slower feed for the smoothest, cleanest finish possible. The 3-knife cutter head lasts about 30% longer than the competition, and swapping knives is fast and easy, meaning less downtime and more productivity. The base is cast aluminum and nearly twice as rigid as standard bases, so the machine stays rock solid, which means every cut is accurate and consistent. It also has folding tables for added support and convenience, and an automatic carriage lock that prevents snipe, those annoying dips at the beginning and end of your boards, without you needing to do anything extra. Plus, the material, removal gauge, and oversized thickness scale make it easy to dial in exactly how much wood you want to take off. If you're looking for a planer that combines raw power, precision, and smart features designed to save you time and frustration, the DeWalt DW735X is the best investment you can make. So whether you're looking for a quiet machine for your home shop, a budget-friendly workhorse, a beginner-friendly option, a portable model for on-the-go projects, or a professional-grade powerhouse, this list covers the top 5 benchtop planers that will get your woodworking done right. Think about your workspace, how much power you need, how often you plan to use it, and what kind of wood you work with most, and pick the planer that fits your woodworking style and projects perfectly.